எல்லாரும் சாப்பிட்டு படிக்கலாமே.
அப்பா அவ கம்ப்யூட்டர் இன்ஜினியரிங் பண்ணணுமா, ஆனா C++க்கு அவ இவ்வளோ தடுமாறுறா.
அதனால என்ன, ரொம்ப சிம்பிள்.
ஆனா எப்படிப்பா?
நம்ம சிஎஸ்சில கம்ப்யூட்டர் கோர்ஸ் பண்ணனா C++ மட்டும் இல்ல, ஜாவா, அனிமேஷன், கேடுன்னு பல விஷயங்களை கத்துக்கலாம். அதுக்கப்புறம் ஃபாரினுக்கு போய் வேலையும் பார்க்கலாம்.
Welcome back to Tiger Max channel. Today's video is the continuation of the previous one video. So அதை வந்து previous video subscription boxல கீழே போடுறோம் லிங்க். அதை நீங்க பார்த்துட்டு நீங்க அதோட ஐடியாவை நீங்க கேப்சர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். So evolute. So last video நம்ம evolutes தான் பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தோம். What is evolute? How to find the evolute of the given curve? What are the steps involving in finding the evolute of the given curve? Okay, these are all the 4 steps involving in finding the evolute of the given curve. What is the first step one? Write the parametric form of the given equation and find y1 and y2. So given equation is in the Cartesian form. First you have to write the parametric form and then calculate y1 and y2. Right? So this is the step 1, and then after find out the y1 and y2, go for step 2. Step 2 is finding x bar and y bar in terms of the given parameter. Suppose the given parameter is theta, then x bar and y bar is in the form of in terms of theta. Suppose the given parameter is in form of t, then x bar and y bar is in the form of t. Okay, so find out x bar and y bar in terms of the given taking the parameter. Okay, the step 3, eliminate theta and eliminate t or theta, that is eliminating the parameter from x bar and y bar, right? Okay, to get the relationship g of x bar comma y bar comma c equal to 0, right? So from x bar and y bar, eliminating the parameter theta or t, you can get the equation g of x bar comma y bar comma c equal to 0. That means relationship connecting x bar and y bar, you will get it. Okay, right? After get it, so x bar comma y bar satisfying this equation, g of x comma y comma c equal to 0, isn't it? Substitute this x bar and y bar here, you can get this equation. Therefore x bar y bar satisfying this equation, this x bar y bar is nothing but the center of the curvature. So okay, so center of curvature is lies on this curve. This curve is called the evolute of the given curve. Okay, the given curve is called the involute of its evolute. Okay, already we discussed it in the previous class one. Just for a quick recall, I explained this one. Now let us go to the next problem based on the evolute. Find the evolute of the ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Solution. So we are going to find out the evolute of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. It is in the Cartesian. It is in the form of Cartesian form, isn't it? The equation involving x and y is called Cartesian equation. So it is called Cartesian equation. I am going to write the parametric form of the given equations. What is the parametric form of the ellipse? X equal to the parametric form of x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is x equal to a cos theta, comma y is equal to b sin theta, isn't it? So I am going to find out y1 and y2 from x and y. Okay, I am going to differentiate with respect to theta. I get it x dash. Okay, right? So differentiate with respect to theta, right? So dx by d theta, that can be written as x dash. A into derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. I write it as minus a sin theta. Then what is the derivative of y with respect to theta? Y dash dy by d theta. So b into derivative of sin theta becomes cos theta. Right? Now I am going to find out y1. What is y1? y1 is nothing but dy by dx, isn't it? So what is dy? That can be written as dy by d theta by dx by d theta. What is dy by d theta? That is y dash. We obtained here b cos theta by minus a sin theta. What is this value? Minus b by a. We can rewrite as simplified it. Minus b by a cos theta by sin theta can be written as cot theta. So this is the value of y1. Right? So what is y1? y1 equal to minus b by a cot theta is the value of y1. Right? Now I am going to find out y2. How can we obtain y2? By differentiating y1 with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Okay, not theta. Right? So derivative of y1 with respect to x becomes y2 is equal to minus b by a. What is the derivative of cos theta? Cot theta minus cosecant square theta into derivative of theta is d theta by dt. Okay, right? That is equal to minus minus plus. Minus minus will become plus b by a. What is cosecant square theta? 1 by sin square theta into what is d theta by dx? It is the reciprocal of d. What is d theta by dx? Sorry, d theta by not dt. D theta by differentiate theta with respect to x. So d theta by dx. What is this one? Reciprocal of dx by d theta, isn't it? So what is this value? This is x dash minus a sin theta. So b by a into 1 by sin square theta into 1 divided by minus a sin theta. Right? So what is y2? Therefore y2 is equal to minus b by a square sin cube theta. Isn't it? Minus b by a square sin cube theta. This is the value of y2, right? I write it here, y2 minus b by a square sin cube theta. So I find out y1 and y2. So now I am going to step 2 to find x bar and y bar. Using y1 and y2 we can find out x bar and y bar. What is x bar? X bar is the formula of x minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. What is x? The parametric form is x equal to a cos theta and y is equal to b sin theta. Okay, so what is x? X equal to a cos theta. A cos theta minus what is y1? Minus b by a cot theta. Okay, into 1 plus b y1 square of this value. So b square by a square cot square theta divided by what is y2? Minus b by a square sin cube theta. Right? So a cos theta, this minus into minus will become plus. This minus together with the plus, it will be minus. 3 minus signs are here. So minus into minus becomes minus. B by a. What is cot theta? Cos theta by sin theta into. This is in the denominator. Okay. So we can make it into reciprocal multiplication. So a square sin cube theta by b into here 1 plus b square by a square into what is cot square theta? Same like that, cos square theta by sin square theta. Right? We can strike out this b with this b. Similarly, sin theta with this cube, it will be sin square theta. You can cancel this a with this a square. So what is remaining? That is equal to a cos theta minus what is remaining here? A sin square theta cos theta. A, carefully write it, sin square theta, not sin theta. Sin square theta cos theta into 1 plus, isn't it? B square by A square cos square theta by sin square theta, right? Now I am going to multiply this term inside the bracket. Okay, so A cos theta minus A sin square theta cos theta plus into minus, sorry, minus into plus minus. This A cancel with this A, so become, or I write it one more step, A sin square theta cos theta into B square by A square cos square theta by sin square theta, right? I can cancel the sin square theta with this sin square theta, 1A with this square, so remaining 1A is in the denominator. Okay, so what you will get? A cos theta minus A into, I can write this sin square into 1 minus cos square theta into cos theta minus, what is remaining here? B square by A, isn't it? A cos cube theta, isn't it? B square by A cos cube theta, that is equal to A cos theta. Now I am taking A cos theta inside the bracket, so minus 1 into A cos theta is A cos theta, minus this minus into minus plus A cos theta into cos square theta, A cos cube theta minus B square by A cos cube theta, right? This minus A cos theta is cancelled with this minus A cos theta. So taking LCM between these two terms, A is the LCM. So A square cos cube theta minus B square cos cube theta, right? This can be written as, here we can take cos cube theta as common. So what is remaining? A square minus B square by A into cos cube theta, isn't it? I am taking cos cube theta as common. So A square minus B square by A is common. Okay, sorry, A square by B square by A is here. So A cos cube theta is common. Okay, right? So this is the value of x bar. This is the value of x bar. Okay. So what is x bar? A square minus B square by A into cos cube theta. Now I am going to find out y bar. Okay. What is the formula for y bar? What is the formula for y bar? Y bar is equal to y plus 1 plus y1 square by y2. What is y? B sin theta, isn't it? From the parametric form, x equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b sin theta plus 1 plus y1 square. What is y1? Minus b by a cot theta. So square, it will become plus, this minus will become plus when we are taking square. So b square by a square cot square theta divided by y2. What is y2? Minus b by a square sin cube theta, isn't it? Right? So simplified it. B sin theta, this minus into plus minus, okay? This becomes reciprocal multiplication. So this goes to the numerator and this goes to the denominator. So a square sin cube theta by b into 1 plus b square by a square. What is cot square theta? Cos square theta by sin square theta, isn't it? Now I am going to multiply this term inside the bracket. So b sin theta minus a square by b sin cube theta, isn't it? Multiply this with 1, you can get minus a square by b sin cube theta. Minus into plus minus a square b a square b sin cube theta into b square by a square cos square theta by sin square theta, isn't it? Right? Can we simplify this b with b square? Similarly, a square with this a square, this sin square with this sin cube theta. Right? So what is remaining? B sin theta minus a square by b sin cube theta minus b sin theta cos square theta, isn't it? Actually write it b sin theta and cos square theta. A is completely eliminated. Okay, right? So now I am going to write the value of cos square theta by 1 minus sin square theta. B sin theta minus a square by b sin cube theta minus b sin theta into 1 minus sin square theta. Now I am going to multiply this inside the bracket. So b sin theta minus a square by b sin cube theta minus b sin theta. 1 into b sin theta, b sin theta. Minus into minus plus b into sin cube theta. I can cancel this plus b sin theta with minus b sin theta. I am taking LCM between these two terms. So b is LCM minus a square sin cube theta plus b square, taking LCM b being, okay, taking LCM, multiply this b with this b. So b square sin cube theta, right? Taking sin cube theta is common. So okay, so what you will get? B square minus a square by b into sin cube theta, isn't it? This is the value of y bar. This is the value of y bar. So what is y bar? We obtain b square minus a square by b into b square minus a square by b into sin cube theta. Okay, right, that's all. So now I finished up to the step 2. I find out x bar and y bar from y1 and y2. And then step 3. And what we will do in step 3? Eliminating the parameter theta from x bar and y bar. Okay, right? How to eliminate it? We call it as equation number 1 and equation number 2. Right? From 1, taking this a into left hand side, a into x bar equal to a square minus b square into cos cube theta. Right? We know the formula for, in trigonometry, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta, right? Or cos square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, right? I am going to apply this trigonometrical identity with this x bar and y bar. Here cos cube theta is here, so I am going to find out the value of cos square theta. Right? That's why I am taking cube root on both sides to get the value of cos theta. Taking cube root. Taking cube root on both sides. So what you will get? A into x bar to the power 1 by 3 is equal to a square minus b square to the power 1 by 3 into cos theta. This by taking cube root into the power cos cube theta the power 1 by 3. This 3 is eliminated with this 3, you will get cos theta. Okay. Now I want to the value of cos square theta. So I am going to squaring on both sides to get cos square theta. So squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So what will get? A into x bar to the power 2 by 3 is equal to a square minus b square to the power 2 by 3 into cos square theta. This is equation number 3. Same like that, from y bar we can get the value of sin square theta, and adding both of the two we can get the answer. Okay, right? We can get the evaluation. Right? What is y bar? Same like that from 2. From 2, taking this b into left hand side, b into y bar is equal to b square minus a square into sine cube theta. Isn't it? Right. So taking same like that, taking cube root on both sides. So b into y bar to the power 1 by 3 is equal to b square minus a square to the power 1 by 3 into sine theta. This cube will be eliminated. Now I am going to squaring on both sides. So b into y bar to the power 2 by 3 is equal to b square minus a square to the power 2 by 3 into sine square theta, isn't it? Now this can be written as a square minus b square to the power 2 by 3. Why? Both are equal. B square minus a square to the power 2 by 3, isn't it? B square minus a square to the power 2 by 3. This can be written as b square minus a square to the power 2, the whole power 1 by 3, isn't it? In square, a minus b the whole square is equal to b minus a the whole square, isn't it? When we taking square, minus will be eliminated, isn't it? Everything will come to positive. That's for b square minus a square, the whole square can be written as a square minus b square the whole square to the power 1 by 3. Now this can be written as a square minus b square the whole power 2 by 3. So both are same, right? So I rewrite it as b square minus a square by a square minus b square to the power 2 by 3 into sine square theta. This is the equation number 4, isn't it? Here we can get cos square theta, here sine square theta, sine square theta. Now how to eliminate between the two? Just taking the sum of these two, just adding 3 and 4, you can eliminate the parameter theta, right? Here the parameter is theta, so now I am going to eliminate the parameter theta from 3 and 4 by adding 3 and 4. Three plus 4 implies this is 3, this is 4. So add the left hand side, same like that the right hand side. So a x bar to the power 2 by 3 plus b y bar power 2 by 3 is equal to, add the right hand side also, equal to, what is in the right hand side? A square minus b square power 2 by 3 into cos square theta plus a square minus b square into power 2 by 3 into sine square theta. What is common from both of the two terms? What is common in the right hand side? A square minus b square to the power 2 by 3 is common in the right hand side. So we can take it as common from the right hand side. So what is remaining in the first term? After taking a square minus b square the whole power 2 by 3, cos square theta is remaining, plus here also we can take a square minus b square by 2 by 3 as common, so sin square theta is remaining. What is the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta? It is 1, so we can leave it. So the result will be a square minus b square to the power 2 by 3 is the value of ax bar to the power 2 by 3 plus by bar to the power 2 by 3. Now we obtain the equation g of x bar comma y bar comma c equal to 0. This is the equation g of x bar comma y bar and c, right? So here, look at that here, parameter theta is eliminated in this equation, isn't it? Right, parameter theta is eliminated from this equation. This is the equation g of x bar comma y bar comma c, right? Now what is x bar y bar? Center of the circle of curvature, isn't it? Center of curvature. What can you say about that? Therefore, x bar, the point C is nothing but x bar comma y bar. Right? Center of curvature C satisfies the equation ax to the power 2 by 3 plus by power 2 by 3 equal to a square minus b square to the power 2 by 3, isn't it? From this equation, what we understand, x bar comma y bar satisfies this equation. How can we justify this? Substitute this x bar and y bar in this equation, you can get this one. So it is satisfied by this point. So this equation is satisfied by the center of curvature. So all the points of center of curvature lies on this curve. So C is the moving point. That point C is the center of curvature is the moving point. That moving point is always along this curve. So this curve is called the evolute of the given curve. What is the given curve? X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to. Therefore, locus of C. What do you mean by locus? The point traced by the center of curvature x bar comma y bar, okay, is ax power 2 by 3 plus by power 2 by 3 equal to a square minus b square power 2 by 3, isn't it? Right? The path, these dots are x bar comma y bar. All the center of curvature lies on this curve, isn't it? Right? So the path traced by the center of curvature is this one, right? Therefore, this is called the locus of this curve, right? Now, therefore, what is it? So locus of x bar comma y bar is this curve. This curve is nothing but which is the evolute of x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, isn't it? The locus of x bar comma y bar is g of x comma y comma c equal to 0. This is the equation g of x comma y comma c equal to 0, right? Which is the evolute of the ellipse. Okay, this is the answer for the. That's all.
என் பையன் அர்ஜுன் இவன் ரொம்ப ஸ்மார்ட் ஆனா லீவ் விட்டாலே இவன் ரொம்ப லேசி. இந்த சம்மர் ஹாலிடேஸ்ல இவனை ஆக்டிவா வச்சுக்க சிஎஸ்சி கம்ப்யூட்டர் கோர்ஸ்ல ஜாயின் பண்ணி விட்டுருக்கேன். ஏன்னா இவனோட ஃபியூச்சர் எனக்கு ரொம்ப முக்கியம். ஜாயின் சிஎஸ்சி டுடே அவைல் சம்மர் ஆஃபர்.
Next problem. Find the evolute of the hyperbola. X square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Okay. Solution. So the given equation is in Cartesian equation. So we write the parametric form of the given equation, right? The parametric form of given equation, parametric form of the given hyperbola. X square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 is x equal to what? A secant theta, comma y equal to b tan theta. Okay, right? So I write the parametric form of the given equation. Now I am going to find out y1 and y2. Y1, how can we calculate y1? Y1 is nothing but dy by dx, isn't it? Right? I am going to find out the derivative of x with respect to theta, that is x dash. And what is derivative of secant theta? Secant theta into tan theta. What is the derivative of y with respect to theta? Y dash. B into derivative of tan theta will become secant square theta. Therefore, I want y1, that is dy by dx, that is equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Okay, what is dy by d theta? What is dy by d theta? B secant square theta by a secant theta tan theta, isn't it? That is equal to b by a. We can cancel one secant theta with this secant square theta, so secant theta is remaining. So b by a into what is secant theta? 1 by cos theta into what is 1 by tan theta sin theta by cos theta. That cos theta can be taken into the numerator. We can cancel this cos theta with cos theta. That is equal to b by a into 1 by sin theta, isn't it? That is equal to b by a cosecant theta is the value of y1. Okay. So what is the value of y1 here? So y1 is equal to b by a cosecant theta. Right? Then difference. Now I am going to find out the value of y2. Y2 is obtained by taking derivative with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate y1 with respect to x, it will become y2 is equal to b by a. What is the derivative of cosecant theta? Minus cosecant theta into cot theta into what is the derivative of theta with respect to x? D theta by dx. That is the reciprocal value of x dash. Okay, I write it directly here. Minus b by a into what is cosecant theta? 1 by sin theta into what is cot theta? Cos theta by sin theta into reciprocal of this value. So a secant theta tan theta. So 1 by, or otherwise I write it one more step. This can be written as dx by d theta. This is nothing but x dash, isn't it? This is nothing but x dash. Right? So I am taking this value here. A secant theta tan theta. Right. So y2 is equal to minus b by a into 1 by sin theta into cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta into 1 by a secant theta tan theta, isn't it? That is equal to minus b by a into 1 by sin theta into cos theta by sin theta into 1 by a. What is 1 by secant theta? Cos theta into 1 by tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. That cos theta taken to the numerator. Okay, right. So that is equal to minus b by a square in constant. Minus b by a square is here. So what is in the numerator? Cos theta, cos theta, cos theta. So it is cos cube theta by sin theta into sin theta into sin theta cube theta. That is equal to minus b by a cot cube theta is the value of y2. So update. Now I am updating the value of y2. That is minus b by a square cot cube theta. So I finished the first step by finding y1 and y2. Now I am going to the second step to find the value of x bar and y bar in terms of theta. Okay, here the parameter is theta, so I am going to find out the value of x bar and y bar in terms of theta. So what is x bar? What is the formula for x bar? X minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square by y2. That is equal to what is x? What is x? X is a cos theta, isn't it? A secant theta, that is x. X equal to a secant theta and y is equal to b tan theta, isn't it? So x is a secant theta minus what is y1? I write it here, b by a cosecant theta. So b by a cosecant theta into 1 plus y1 square, the same square of the y1 value. So b square by a square cosecant square theta by y2. What is y2? Minus b by a square into cot cube theta, isn't it? How can we simplify this? A secant theta, this minus into minus, this becomes plus, right? So b by a into cosecant theta into this becomes reciprocal multiplication, isn't it? So a square by b into cot cube theta, and then 1 plus b square by a square into cosecant cube theta, isn't it? Right? Now I am going to simplify this. Right? That is equal to what is the value? A secant theta plus this can be this a square cancel with this a, so remaining a is in the numerator, and then we can cancel this b with b. What is cosecant theta? 1 by sin theta. Right? So make every term in terms of sin theta and cos theta. So 1 by cot cube theta is here. What is cot cube theta? Cos theta by sin theta. That becomes cos cube theta by sin cube theta. You can take that sin cube theta into the numerator. And then what is inside the bracket? 1 plus b square by a square, b square by a square into cosecant cube theta, brings 1 by sin cube theta, isn't it? Right? Now I am going to now I am trying to the sin theta with the sin cube theta, so sin square theta is remaining. Okay. Now I am going to multiply this term inside the bracket. Right? That is equal to a secant theta plus sin square theta by cos cube theta is here. 1 into that value is the same. Sin square theta by cos cube theta plus b square by a square. B square by a square into sin square theta by cos cube theta. Sin square theta by cos cube theta into 1 by sin cube theta. Isn't it? So I can strike out the sin square theta with the sin cube theta. So sin theta is remaining in the denominator, right? So a secant theta plus I make that sin square theta into 1 minus cos square theta. Also I forget to write that a here, isn't it? A is in the numerator here. I forget to write it. So a into, right? This is the value of a by cos cube theta, right? Plus b square by a square into what is remaining here? 1 by sin theta into cos cube theta. Is it right? Sin theta cancel here. 1 by sin theta cot theta. Right? That's all, right? Now that is equal to a into secant theta minus, I split it into two terms, a by cos cube theta, a by cos cube theta minus, plus into minus, minus a cos square theta by cos cube theta, right? Plus b square by a square into 1 by sin theta into cos cube theta. Isn't it? Right? What I am mistaken here? Sorry. Here is the value of, it is square, isn't it? 1 plus b square by a square into cosecant square theta. So here I correct it now. Okay, right? Right. So simplifying this one, a secant theta minus b by a cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is here. this becomes the reciprocal multiplication a square by b cot cube theta into 1 plus b square by a square cosecant square theta. So make it every term a secant theta plus this cosecant theta becomes what is remaining here a into what is cosecant theta 1 by sin theta into what is cos cube, what is cot cube theta, cos cube theta by sin cube theta, that can be taken into the numerator. So sin cube theta into 1 plus b square by a square into 1 by sin square theta, right? So that is equal to a secant theta plus we can strike out the sin theta with the sin cube theta, sin square theta is remaining a into sin square theta by cos cube theta into 1 plus b square by a square into 1 by sin square theta. So now I am going to multiply this inside the bracket. So a secant theta plus a into sin square theta by cos cube theta plus a into b square by a square into sin square theta by cos cube theta into 1 by sin square theta, isn't it? I can cancel the sin square with this sin square, that is equal to a secant theta plus a into what is here? Here I am going to change the sin square theta into 1 minus cos square theta by cos cube theta plus strike out this a with this a. So what is remaining? B square by a. Here 1 by cos cube theta is here, right? That's all. That is equal to a secant theta plus, shall I multiply this inside the bracket? It becomes a by cos cube theta minus a cos square theta by cos cube theta plus b square by a into 1 by cos cube theta. That is equal to a secant theta plus a secant cube theta minus, we can strike out this cos square with this cos cube. So it becomes a by cos theta is remaining. A into what is 1 by cos theta? It is secant theta, right? Plus b square by a. This 1 by cos cube theta can be written as secant cube theta. That's all, right? Now I cancel, strike out this plus a cos secant theta with minus a secant theta. So I am going to take LCM in the denominator. So what is LCM? A is the LCM between these two terms. So multiply this with a. So a square secant cube theta minus b square secant cube theta. Sorry, plus b square secant cube theta. Right here, I can take secant cube theta as common. So a square plus b square by a into secant cube theta is the value of x bar. So what is x bar? A square plus b square by a into secant cube theta. Okay. Now I am going to find out the value of y bar in terms of theta. Okay. Right. What is y bar? Y bar is equal to y plus 1 plus y1 square by y2. What is y? X equal to a secant theta and y is b tan theta. So b tan theta plus 1 plus y1 square b square by a square cosecant square theta, isn't it? By y2 minus b by a square into cot cube theta. Okay. So b tan theta, this plus into minus minus, this a square goes to the numerator. So a square by b cot cube theta into 1 plus b square by a square into cosecant square theta. That is equal to b tan theta minus, this can be written as a square by b cot cube theta. What is cot cube theta? Cos cube theta by sin cube theta. Take it. take the sin cube theta to the numerator into 1 plus b square by a square into what is the value of cosecant square theta? 1 by sin square theta. Okay. Now I am going to multiply this inside there. So b tan theta minus a square by b sin cube theta by cos cube theta and then plus into minus a square by b into b square by a square into sin cube theta by cos cube theta into 1 by sin square theta, isn't it? So that is equal to b tan theta minus a square by b. This can be written as tan cube theta. What is sin cube by cos cube? Tan cube theta. Here I can straight out this a square with a square, b with b square. So b is remaining in the numerator. So minus b is remaining sin cube by cos cube into 1 by sin square. You can straight out the sin square with the sin cube. So sin theta is remaining. Sin theta by cos cube theta. I write it as cos theta into 1 by cos square theta. So cos cube theta can be split into cos theta into cos square theta. So that can be written as sin theta by cos theta into 1 by cos square theta. So right. So b tan theta minus a square by b tan cube theta minus b. What is sin theta by cos theta? Tan theta into what is 1 by cos theta? Secant square theta. Right. That's equal to b tan theta minus a square by b into tan cube theta minus b tan theta into what is the value of secant square theta? 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta by trigonometric formula. So secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. Right? So that is equal to b tan theta minus a square by b tan cube theta. Now I am going to multiply this inside the bracket. So minus b tan theta into 1 minus b tan theta and then minus b tan cube theta. B tan cube theta. Isn't it? Plus and minus b into tan theta into tan square theta. It is tan cube theta. So now I strike out b tan theta with minus b tan theta. So what is remaining? These two terms. I am taking b as LCM between these two terms. So taking b as LCM. So minus a square tan cube theta minus b square into tan cube theta. Right? Isn't it? That is equal to, here also I am taking minus as common and tan cube theta is also common. So what is remaining? A square plus b square. Here minus is taken as common. Minus tan cube theta. So remaining minus is taken as here. So remaining a square plus b square by what is right? That is equal to minus of a square plus b square by b into tan cube theta is the value of y bar. So what is y bar? Minus of a square plus b square by b into tan cube theta. Right? So now I find out x bar and y bar in terms of the parameter theta. Now I am going to step 3 to eliminate theta from x bar and y bar to form the equation g of x bar comma y bar comma c equal to 0. Right? So I call it as equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Right? From 1 I am taking this a into the left hand side. A into x bar is equal to a square plus b square into secant cube theta, isn't it? Right? I am taking cube root on both sides. Cube root on both sides. Okay, so a into x bar to the power 1 by 3, that is equal to a square plus b square to the power 1 by 3 into secant theta. This cube, secant cube theta, when we taking cube root, this 3 is cancelled with this 3, so secant theta is remaining. So I write it here, it is secant theta. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So what? A into x bar to the power 2 by 3 is equal to a square plus b square to the power 2 by 3 into secant square theta. Okay, right. I call it as equation number 3. Now from 2, take this b into left hand side. So b into y bar is equal to minus of a square plus b square power a square plus b square into tan cube theta. Isn't it? Now as usually going to taking cube root on both sides. So b into y bar to the power 1 by 3 is equal to minus a square plus b square to the power 1 by 3 into tan theta. This cube is eliminated with this 1 by 3, so I write it as tan theta squaring on both sides. So what you will get? So b power 1, b into y bar power 2 by 3 is equal to, when you taking square, this minus will be plus. So a square plus b square to the power 2 by 3, right, into tan square theta, called as equation number 4, right. Now I am going to subtract this 3 minus 4, right. So 3 minus 4 to eliminate theta, okay. To eliminating this parameter theta, so I am going to subtract this 4 from 3. So 3 minus 4 in place. So what you get? A x bar power 2 by 3 minus b y bar power 2 by 3 is in the left hand side. What is in the right hand side? Subtract this minus this. So a square plus b square power 2 by 3. So this minus this. So into secant square theta, isn't it? Minus this. So a square plus b square the whole power 2 by 3 is common between both of the two terms. So I am taking this as common. So what is remaining? Secant square theta. I write it here. Secant square theta minus, I am going to subtract it, isn't it? Secant square theta minus tan square theta. What is secant square theta minus tan square theta? It is 1. Okay. What is secant square minus tan square? It is 1. So a into x bar power 2 by 3 minus b into y bar power 2 by 3 is equal to a square plus b square power 2 by 3 into 1. That is equal to a square plus b square to the power 2 by 3 a x bar to the power 2 by 3 minus b into y bar power 2 by 3. Right? Therefore, what we conclude from this equation, we obtain this g of x bar comma y bar comma c is the x bar, y bar and c constant term, right? Therefore, x bar comma y bar, this is the coordinates of center of curvature, right? X bar y bar satisfies the equation a x to the power 2 by 3 minus by power 2 by 3 equal to a square plus b square to the power 2 by 3, right? Substitute this center of coordinate into this equation, you will get this one. So satisfied this coordinate satisfying this equation. So all center of coordinates are all center of curvature is lies on this curve, isn't it? Center of curvature is completely lies on this curve. Therefore, locus of center of curvature is nothing but evaluate, isn't it? Locus of center of curvature is ax to the power 2 by 3 minus by power 2 by 3 is equal to a square plus b square to the power 2 by 3. Isn't it? Right? So this is the equation g of x comma y comma c, which is the evolute of the hyperbola. Evolute of the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. That's all. Right? That's all. Right. Let us go to the next problem. So we will discuss the remaining problems in the next session. Okay? Thank you.